Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 28 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. This week's Shuriken skill is to use component fonts in Illustrator. You may find several of these on Typekit. And the one I'm using here is Asia Bat from Bat Studios. And you can see that it has a few different stylistic alternates here in terms of font. So I'm just going to set this one back to solid, and I'm going to select all three instances of that text on this illustration. Copy those to the clipboard. I'm then going to paste them down in front using Command F or Control F. I'll change the color here. Let's just go for black, nice and simple. And then in the variants here, I can cycle through all of those different variations, and you can sometimes stack 2 or 3 on top of each other for really great effects. And that's it. That's your Shuriken skill to practice this week. Don't forget, if you want to learn more even faster, then check out my courses on lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Please do subscribe to the channel, feedback to me here or via Facebook or Twitter. But for now, we're done, and I'll see you next Monday for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.